Can you solve this ACT math problem? Drop your answer in the comments below. Let's go. One solution to the equation that's given is x equals -1. Which of the following describes the other two solutions? Okay, so the first strategy is you could basically graph the equation, this equation, and see what other possible solutions does it have. So here is the graph that I on Desmos. Uh, so here is x equals -1. So that is the solution that's given to us, x equals -1. So that is a root that's already there. So we want to see if there are any other solutions, two or more solutions or roots. So if you look at this graph here, there is only one root that's crossing the x-axis, or real root. So there don't seem to be any more real solutions to this graph. So this, you can go ahead and cancel f and g because both have negative real numbers. Even h has real numbers, j has real numbers, a real number. So only choice K is possible by the process of elimination because both are complex numbers that are not real, because f, g, h, and j each have a real root in their answers. Okay, so you can go ahead and eliminate those. So that's a quick way to solve this problem. However, let's see the algebraic explanation of this problem. So here is our polynomial right here. So the root is given x equals -1. I'm just going to go ahead and use synthetic division. So I'm going to take the coefficients 4, -2, 1, and 7 and use -1, use that to divide using synthetic division. So I bring the 4 down. So 4 times -1 is -4. Add those, -6. Again times -1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 times -1 is -7. So that cancels off. So now we can go ahead and write this as 4x squared minus 6x plus 7. And that's the other factor that we have from x equals -1. Now we're going to focus on this because this is what the roots we want to calculate. So remember, from the quadratic equation, square root of b squared minus 4ac, if under that root in here is 0, it's one root. And if it is positive, it has two real roots. If it's negative, it has two imaginary roots. So let's go ahead and calculate that. This is a, that is b, -6, and c is 7. So -6 squared, b squared, minus 4, a is 4 and 7. So that it gives a -6 whole square is 36 minus 112. So basically we are getting a square root of a negative number. Okay, so that means we're going to have two imaginary roots. So that is the way to show algebraically that this indeed has two imaginary roots. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I'll talk to you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.